Now we will see MCQ 26. Current in circuit falls from 5 ampere to 0 ampere. This is asked many times. I1 is given 5 ampere, I2 is 0 ampere. In 0.1 second, time is given 0.1 second. If an average EMF E is given as 200 volt, then self-inductance of the circuit you have to find L. We have formula E is equals to minus L delta I divided by delta T. Therefore, E is 200. We have to find L delta I, that is I2 minus I1. So it will be 0 minus 5 and delta T is given as 0.1. 200 minus L minus 5 divided by 0.1, that will be minus 50. So L will be 200 divided by 50. L is 4 Henry. Okay. So answer is B, 4.0 Henry. 27. A 60 microfarad capacitor is connected to 110 volt 60 hertz supply. C is given as 60 microfarad. 60 into 10 raised to minus 6. So it will be 6 into 10 raised to minus 5 farad. Voltage is given as 110 volt. Its frequency is 60 hertz. RMS value of current. So this is purely capacitive circuit. Current in capacitive circuit is given as I is equals to V divided by XC. So it is V divided by 1 upon omega C. It will become V omega C. V is given as 110. Omega is 2 pi nu. So it will be 2 into 3.14 into 60 multiplied by C. That is 6 into 10 raised to minus 5. You will calculate the answer and it is 110 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 60 into 6, that is 248688. 10 raised to minus 5. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2.48, 49 and 2.5. Okay. Okay, 2.49 is answer. Option C, 2.49. 28. In LCR circuit, power is dissipated in blank circuit. Options are given as in all resistor, capacitor and inductor. Option B is only in capacitor. Option C only in inductor and option D only in resistor. So in LCR circuit, power dissipated is only in resistor. In purely capacitive or in purely inductive circuit, there is no power dissipation, and so the current in the purely capacitive or purely inductive circuit is called wattless current. So answer will be power dissipated in only resistor. Option D, only in resistor. Okay. 29. 15 microfarad capacitor is connected to 220 volt 50 hertz source. Then the capacitive reactance. You have to find only capacitive reactance. Capacitive reactance is XC. XC is given as 1 upon omega C. 1 upon omega is 2 pi nu into C. So it will be 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 3.14 into nu is 50 and C is 15 microfarad. 15 into 10 raised to minus 6. So answer will be 1 divided by 314 divided by 15. 0.0002123 into 10 raised to 6. So 1, 2, 3, 6. 212.3 ohm. Unit of XC is ohm. So approximately 212. In option 212 ohm is given. Number 30. A charged 30 microfarad capacitor is connected to 27 millihenry inductor. Then frequency. You have to find frequency of LC circuit. frequency of LC circuit is given as nu is equals to 1 upon 2 pi root LC. So it will be 3.14. L is given as 27 millihenry, 27 into 10 raised to minus 3, and C is 30 microfarad, 30 into 10 raised to minus 6. 1 upon 6.28, this is 810 into 10 raised to minus 9. So this will be 1.1 divided by 6.28. We have 81 into 10 raised to minus 8. Root of 81 is 9, and power will be half, 10 raised to minus 4. So answer will be 1 divided by 6.28 divided by 9. It is 0.01769 10 raised to 4. It will be 176.9. Option B is answer, 176.9 hertz. Okay. Now 31. It is theory based. Blank radiation is used in LASIK eye surgery. Answer is ultraviolet rays. Okay. Ultraviolet UV rays are used in LASIK surgery. So answer is B. 31B, ultraviolet, that is UV. 32. A charged particle oscillate about its mean equilibrium position with frequency of 10 raised to 9 hertz. Then frequency of electromagnetic wave is blank hertz. So it is theory based question. The frequency of electromagnetic wave and frequency of oscillating particle both are same. So answer will be 10 raised to 9 hertz. Okay. There is no calculation. 32A 10 raised to 9 hertz, because frequency of oscillating particle and frequency of generated electromagnetic wave both are same. 33. For compound microscope, image distance of objective is VO and object distance of eyepiece is UE. Then distance between its two lens, the distance between two lens of microscope is given as VO plus UE. Okay, VO plus UE. Option D is answer. 34. Square of size 1 millimeter square is being viewed through magnifying glass. The image of the square has an area 6.25 millimeter square. The magnification produced by lens. Formula of magnification is M is equals to height of image divided by height of object. But here area of image and area of object is given. So to find magnification, you have to take square root of magnification of area. M is equals to area of image, M is equals to square root of area of image divided by area of object. Okay, and that is 6.25 divided by 1 root 6.25, and answer will be 2.5. So answer is C. Okay. 35. Double lenses are to be manufactured from a glass of refractive index 1.5. Refractive index of lens is given n equal to 1.5. With both faces of the radius of curvature r. Both faces have equal radius of curvature. But here, in using lens maker's formula, we always take R1 positive and R2 as negative. So R1 will be plus R and R2 will be minus R. Now use lens maker's formula. 1 upon F is equals to N2 minus N1 upon N1, 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. 1 upon F. N2 is given as 1.5, N1 is refractive index of L, that is 1, R1 is 1 and R2 is minus R. So it will become 1 upon f is equals to 1.5 minus 1, that is 0.5, and this is 1 upon r, minus minus plus 1 upon r plus 1 upon r. 1 upon f 0.5, that is 1 by 2, 1 plus 1, 2 upon r, so it will be cancelled, and 1 upon f equal to 1 upon r, so r equal to f. Okay, so answer is B. 36. If a prism is to be used to invert image without changing the size, the critical angle for the material of the prism should be. Okay, this is theory based question. Answer is IC greater than pi by 4 radian. Okay. (37). It is also theory based question. When a plane wavefront is incident on thin convex lens, अगर plane wavefront convex lens पर इंसिडेंट होगा तो जो बाहर निकलेगा वो कैसे शेप में निकलेगा? तो आंसर है स्फीरिकल शेप में निकलेगा. यह 10 चैप्टर में फिगर के साथ एक्सप्लेन किया हुआ है. सो आंसर विल बी स्फीरिकल. ओके. 38. In case of diffraction due to single slit, the width of the slit is half of the wavelength of incident light. For single slit, width of the slit A is equals to lambda divided by 2. Okay. The angle of diffraction theta for the second order minimum, it is second order minimum, so n is equals to 2. We will use condition of minima, that is theta is equals to n lambda divided by A. N is 2 and lambda A is given as lambda by 2. Lambda will get cancelled. 2 2s are 4. So theta is 4 degree. Okay, we got the answer. That's D, 4 degree. Okay. (39). It is also theory based question on Huygens theory. According to Huygens argument, the amplitude of secondary wavelet is blank in forward direction and blank in the backward direction. तो जो वेव फ्रंट जनरेट होता है वो सिर्फ क्या करता है? वो सिर्फ फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन में आगे बढ़ता है, इसलिए फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन में उसकी जो इंटेंसिटी है वो मैक्सिमम होती है, बैकवर्ड डायरेक्शन में उसकी इंटेंसिटी 0 होती है. तो सेकंड फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन में आंसर आएगा मैक्सिमम एंड बैकवर्ड डायरेक्शन में आंसर आएगा 0. सो इट इज ऑप्शन बी, मैक्सिमम एंड 0. ओके. नाउ 40 नंबर, very easy question. The photoelectric cutoff voltage in certain experiment is 4 volt. V0 is given as 4 volt. Then maximum kinetic energy of emitted photoelectron is blank electron volt. You have to find maximum kinetic energy, that also in electron volt. So it is very easy. Kmax equal to EV0, that is E into 4 volt. So it is 4 electron volt. Okay. So answer is option A. 41. In an experiment of photoelectric effect, the slope of graph of cutoff voltage, that is V0 versus nu. I think all know this answer. The slope of V0 versus nu is h by E. Now value of h by E is asked. We have to use value of h and E. H is 6.63 into 10 raised to minus 34 and E is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. So answer will be 4.14 into 10 raised to minus 15. Okay. Option C is answer. Okay. Now 42. In 42 it is given that wavelength of electromagnetic radiation is lambda 1 and its de Broglie wavelength of its quantum is lambda 2. Then blank. जो रेडियोमैग्नेटिक इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव है, रेडिएशन है, उसकी वेवलेंथ दी हुई है लैम्बडा 1 और जो उसका क्वांटम मतलब कि फोटोन है उसकी वेवलेंथ दी हुई है लैम्बडा 2. तो ये दोनों वेवलेंथ में कोई डिफरेंस नहीं होगा. आप इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव की रेडिएशन बोलो क्या फोटोन की, आप इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव की वेवलेंथ बोलो या फोटोन की वेवलेंथ बोलो, बोथ मस्ट बी इक्वल. सो आंसर इज d lambda 1 is equals to lambda 2. Okay. 43. Very easy question. Momentum of photon of frequency nu is, momentum of photon is given as h nu by c. Okay. 44. Which two physical quantities have same unit? This question is also asked many times. Which quantity have same units? So answer is Planck's constant and angular momentum. Okay, h and angular momentum L. H and L have same units. L is equals to nh upon 2 pi. So unit of L and H must be equal. 45. The radius of innermost electron orbit of hydrogen atom is 5.3 into 10 raised to minus 11 meter. N1 is given. Then radius for n equal to 2 is, r is proportional to n square, so r2 is equals to n square into r1. N is given as 2 and r1 is given as 5.3 into 10 raised to minus 11. 4 into 5.3 10 raised to minus 11. 4 3 are 12. 21.2 10 raised to minus 11. That will be 10 raised to 2.1 to 10 raised to minus 10. Okay. Meter. Option C is correct. 46. Very easy question. The ground state energy of hydrogen atom is, total energy of hydrogen atom in ground state is given as minus 13.6 electron volt, and you have to find potential energy. Potential energy U is given as 2 times total energy, that is 2 into minus 13.6. It will be minus 27.2 electron volt. Okay. 47. In experiment of alpha scattering, for the head-on collision angle of scattering, for head-on collision, impact parameter B is 0 and angle of scattering is maximum, that is angle of scattering is 180 degree. Okay, so answer is option A, 180 degree. 48. U238 and 92 and TH thorium 236 and 90 are blank. They have a different atomic numbers, so they are not isotopes. They have different atomic masses, so they are not isobars. So obviously they must be isotons. 236 minus 90, 146. 238 minus 92, that is also number of neutrons are 146 in both nucleus. Okay, so they are isotons. Answer is B, isoton. 49. This question is asked many times and very easy question. The ratio of nuclear radius of gold and silver. So RAU divided by RAG. R is R0 A raised to 1 by 3. So AAU raised to 1 by 3 upon R0 AAG raised to 1 by 3. AAU, that is 197, and AAG that is 107 raised to 1 by 3. We have to find cube root of this ratio and answer is 1.23, option C. Okay. 50. Complete the following nuclear reaction. N01 U23592. It will become U23692, then blank plus NB 4199 and blank. So you have to check options and you have to compare atomic mass and atomic number of given products. So answer will be Sb 13351 and 4 neutrons. Now check this. 99 plus 4, 103, 103 plus 133, that is 236. 41, 4 into 0, that's 0. 41 plus 51, that is 92. It is solved. It is correct. Okay. So answer is Sb and 4 neutron. Answer is B. Okay. All 50 MCQs are solved.